In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to fix your zipper professionally. If you've been struggling to fix your zipper like this video is for you. I'll share with you step by step on how to fix your zipper just like this, okay? I made this dress for the sake of this tutorial. I'll be using it to share with you how to attach your zipper to your dress. So this is me showing you what the dress looks like. This is the front and then this is the back. As you can see, I stitched everything in. You can hardly see or figure out where I made my stitches. And over here, I went ahead to overlock all the rough edges, okay, to avoid having that dirty finishing, okay. I'll be making use of this green zipper because I don't have a pink zip. So when you're making yours, go ahead and use a matching zipper, okay? This is an invisible zipper. You can go ahead and make use of any zip of your choice, okay? I'll also be making use of my zipper foot. Zipper foot will always make your work come out very neat. So if you want to sew like a pro, use zipper foot to attach your zipper. It helps a lot, okay? So one foot is for the left zip and then the other one is for the right zip, okay? So like I said before, if you want your project to come out really nice, make use of zipper foot, okay? Okay, first I'm going to mark out where I want my zipper to end. This is it. You can go ahead and do the same thing on your zip. Go ahead and mark out where you want your zipper to end. And again, when I was making this dress, I marked out 1.5 inches for my zipper allowance. So I'm trying to mark that on this dress, you know, just to have a guide on where to place my zip before stitching, okay? So after marking out my 1.5 zip allowance, I went ahead to connect with a straight line. I'm going to open up my zipper like this. So this is the right side of my zipper. So after fixing your zipper to your dress, you should end up having something like this, right? So what you're going to do now is to place the right side of the zipper to the right side of the dress. Place them together, right side facing each other, okay? And I'm going to pin it down. Before making my stitches, I'm going to leave about 1/4 inch over there at the top, okay? So now I'll go ahead and pin my zipper to the dress following the line I just marked out. I'm going to make a straight stitch on my zipper from the top to where I want my zipper to end, okay? I'm going to take away the regular presser foot I have on my sewing machine already and then fix in my zipper foot, okay? I'm going to fix in my left zipper foot like that, okay? Make sure you screw very tight. Then this is it here. I'm going to move the thread to the back like this, then place my dress on it this way, and then I'm going to make a straight stitch, okay? I'm going to take away the pins as I sew down, okay? I'm going to sew. Remember, it is necessary to back stitch, okay? So I'm going to continue to make my stitches as I remove the pins till I get to where I want my zipper to stop, okay? After sewing, I'm going to take away my project and then cut out the excess thread, okay? This is what I had after sewing. As you can see, it is looking very neat. What I'm going to do next is to lay the lining on the zipper, okay? Make sure the zipper is laying between the lining and the main fabric, okay? Just make sure it is in the middle, okay? I'm going to pin down this part here and then carefully arrange every other part. Place it on my sewing machine and then make a straight stitch. Don't worry, the zipper foot is going to guide you on how to make a straight stitch, okay? So don't worry, okay? It's going to guide you and you're going to sew your work very neat, okay? Just follow up what I'm doing. It is very, very simple. So when I was done sewing it, this is what I had here. I'm going to go ahead and close up that part, okay? But first I'm going to remove my zipper foot and then put back the regular machine foot, okay? And then go ahead and stitch that upper part like that. Remember to back stitch, okay? Later, I'm going to cut off the excess zipper at the top and then go ahead to overlock that part. Okay, this is what I had after sewing. It is looking very neat. Now to sew the second zipper, make sure the right sides are fitting each other. Make sure the zipper teeth is facing outside. Okay, now I'm going to mark out my zipper allowance just like I did for the first one. I'm going to mark that out and then place my zipper on it, right sides facing each other, but then make sure your zipper teeth is facing outside though. Make sure it is facing outside. Then I'll go ahead and pin it down first before making my stitches. I'm going to remove my presser foot. Okay, then I'm going to be putting the right zipper foot. Remember, we have two zipper foots, right? So one is for the left and one is for the right. So after putting the right zipper foot, I'm going to make a straight stitch. Okay, I'm going to carefully arrange the down part and then make my stitches there. I'm just going to repeat what I did previously. After that, I'm going to be placing the lining on it. If it is facing you used to turn your neckline, you can place the facing on it. It is the same thing. I'll pin it down and then go ahead and make a straight stitch. After stitching, I'm going to close up that part, that open part. Okay, I'm going to remove this zipper foot here and then put my sewing machine regular presser foot, then go ahead and close up that part. Okay, after sewing that part, I'll go ahead and cut out the excess zipper I have at the top. I'll also overlock it to have a neat finishing. Okay, I'm going to overlock there later. So now I'm going to open it up like this to show you what I have. So this is it. I'm going to zip it up to show you. Okay, I'm going to carefully arrange everything and then zip this to show you what I have. Okay, so after sewing your zipper, you should end up having something like this. Okay, so now I'm going to be closing the down part. You know, some people first join the down part before attaching their zipper, but me, I like to attach my zipper first before closing the down part. So whichever way you do it, it is also nice. Okay, just do what works for you. Okay, I'm turning it to the wrong side. I'm going to put the lining together this way, then I'm going to stitch from the bottom part. I'm going to make a straight stitch from there to where my zipper stopped. Okay, I'm going to sew like that and then end my stitches there because that is where my zipper stopped. Make sure you back stitch. Okay, it is very necessary to back stitch. Then after that, I'm going to cut out the excess thread and then show you what I have. This is what I have here. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to repeat the same thing on the main fabric. Okay, I will repeat the same thing here. I'm going to carefully arrange the front side, the main fabric, put away the zipper. Okay, make sure the zipper is inside, arrange the net and everything. But this time around, I'm not going to start sewing from the bottom part. I'm going to start sewing from where my zipper ended. Okay, this is how I like to stitch my dress. I'm going to stitch starting from where the zipper ended. So what I'm trying to do here is to arrange everything before I start making my stitches. So when I was done arranging everything, I'm going to put it over there and then make my stitches like that. Okay, you're going to end up having something like this after sewing. Okay, for the zipper, I went ahead to cut out the zip. I went ahead to reduce the length of the zip. It is very long. Then I'm going to use a bias tape to cover up that rough edge of the zip, just like that, and then I'm going to cut it out to have a very clean finishing. Okay, so this is it here. So I just hope you're going to try this out. It is very simple. Always make use of a zipper foot if you want to sew your work very well.